We're starting to understand that we can actually grow pulses in Manitoba and Saskatchewan, mill them here in Manitoba, and ship it to Europe, and it has a lower ecological footprint than if you grow that same pulse in Europe. Hi, my name is Wayne Arsenault. I'm the CEO of Avena Foods. We're a specialty miller in oats and pulses. We partnered with Protein Industries Canada as well as partners at UBC in order to develop regenerative ag practices and working with our farmers to treat soil as best we can so that future generations have richer soil that's going to produce richer crops. Partnering with Protein Industries Canada has done, we've been able to increase the size of our research and development by fourfold, and that's really given us more capability. And it's because of those capabilities, we've recently launched 3 innovations in the marketplace much faster than what we would have otherwise. Partnering through the cluster really advanced our ability to hone in on understanding, well, what are all of our great farmers doing and what are the practices that they're doing, and then being able to move that forward and launching a regenerative ag oats offering for our customers so that is now moving into the marketplace. Bringing together all of these expertise in order to better understand how do you track great farm practices and how do you actually calculate what impact that has. We started about 15 years ago with a group of pedigreed seed farmers. And since that time, with the gluten-free options as well as the emerging alternative proteins versus meat, getting plant-based proteins, we've rapidly grown over the last 10 years. We're blessed to be in Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Alberta, where in pulses or in oats growing, it's the most sustainable area in the world. Protein Industries Canada, that's where it comes together for us. They have access and knowledge to different partners. So do we. So do our customers. And then this just kind of brings it all together. We were able to determine our life cycle for all of our products. Without that support, eventually we'd be able to figure that out, but really developing that capability internally is very difficult. It's really moved Avena to the forefront, and we're seen as an innovator in the marketplace. It's all about solving problems that consumers want solved, which is bringing it back to us to say, how do we solve it? And without the help, it'd be very difficult. I want us to continue to be an innovator in the marketplace. I want us to continue to be the first at trying new things. It means you put yourself open to failure, but we need to continue to be the first.